All right. Me and Big Larry and Little Larry. We are at Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. for the DMV bike set day party. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, fellas? How y'all doing? All right. Get the choppers in town, okay. Man, I could have rode. That Road King. Got a lot of nice bikes out front. The random Indian parked in front of a Harley dealership. Right? So we're gonna run in here right quick. Little dude. What's going on, fellas? How you doing? That's cool. It's all right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get me one of these, road glides here. Oh yeah, that's a tough color. Let me see, yeah, that's a tough color. Yeah. That's the Road Glide Limited right here, right there.
That's the one you rode?
Yeah, that's the one I rode. That's the new color.
I like that. That's tight.
Yeah, you can go ahead and get that Road Glide 3. Put you some bars on it, you be straight. All right, gentlemen, doing it. All right, Randy, how's everything? Hey, how's everything? All right.
Look, I'm about to tell him who I am.
All right.
I'll let you go.
Yeah.
I knew that was him. That was you. Yeah.
You got it, Larry. Go ahead, Larry.
Right here in the middle.
Little dude, so all three generations in here.
Make sure say what's up to your folks before you leave.
Will do. Got this little guy down here.
You want to scout it?
Yeah, okay.
You sure you don't want one?
Yeah, I'm okay. How much is it on sale?
The bill I repeat.
Yes, sir. How's everything, sir?
Good, man.
I can't call it. Yes, sir.
That's your pop.
Yes, my pops. Yeah.
Hey, Block, you know when I be watching little bike joints on YouTube? This is him right here. You gotta get it from the shirt, right?
How you doing, man?
How are you?
I'm Larry. No problem. Pleasure meeting you.
Larry.
It's Big Larry.
I'm the dad.
And that's little Larry.
When you had the bike somewhere, I seen him on there getting on the bike, like right after you got it painted.
Yeah. Actually, I got that.
Customized?
No, I just had the engine, finished the engine and everything, got it running.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why you wait to 72 to become a celebrity, man?
Yeah, you know what I'm
Took
saying?
too long.
I'm actually 73 now.
That's what I'm trying to get there.
And I still ride it like a stove.
Why not do it?
Right.
Why not do it?
Is the Cycles Limited have any events anytime soon?
No,
Or?
not this year. This year we just doing a bunch of rides.
Right, okay.
Usually
Makes
we
sense.
have a joint every year.
Okay.
Down the road down in Le Mans.
Okay,
Yeah.
right, yeah.
But this year we said we waited too late and then everybody had their joints, so I was looking at the calendar, I was like, ain't no way to fit nothing in here. So
Right. So basically gonna support, okay. So now, yeah, that makes sense.
That's how you get them to come to yours.
Right. It makes sense.
So we burning them up this year.
Oh, yeah.
We burned them up last year, but we definitely burning them up this year.
For sure. Well,
Hey,
appreciate
good luck with that, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right.
The high octane right here, baby.
Hey, look, it's a victory. All right. Yeah, I mean, it's like a little day party or whatever.
Yeah.
You got the Road Wolves. You got somebody that's a prospect for somebody. You got K9 MC. You got some go-go going on around the corner. I don't think that's gonna get cleared or whatever, but you know, we'll see. Bloc Burnaz. Bloc Burnaz, Legacy Divas, Renegade Queen, Social Club. You all right?
You ready to roll?
No, hey, couple of rows enough. And got 06 riders here. What's going on, bro? How you? All right, all right. Yes, sir, yes, sir. You got Slow Motion and Notorious. All right, doing well, doing well. It's my dad and my little dude.
Celebrity right there. How you doing? How you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I don't know. You brought the trike over here? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. How you been feeling? That's good. How long you in town? Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.